Altcoins are completely finished. With Bitcoin dominance hovering around 70%, many investors and content creators are telling you that Bitcoin is won. Let's all pack up and go home and give Bitcoin the crown. But what if I told you they aren't dead and they're actually primed for a big move in the coming months? Would you believe me, or would you call me a heretic? Today, we're going to be taking a look at altcoins and whether or not the death of the altcoin was reported a little prematurely. Let's get it. Hello and welcome to BitBoy Crypto, your one-stop shop for all things Bitcoin and cryptocurrency related. If you want to watch videos like this every day, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and don't forget to click the little bell for notifications. You can also join my Telegram group, The Bit Squad. The link to that is down below in the video description. So today we're going to be talking about altcoins, everyone's favorite topic. At the end of the video, I'm going to show you guys a chart that is going to blow you away, and I think it's going to make you turn a little bullish on altcoins going forward. The market is pumping right now. Many altcoins are in the green, including XRP, Stellar, Dash, Neo, and IOTA. They're all getting over 5% pumps. Now, 5% may not sound like a lot to you right now, but that's only because you're in crypto. If a stock pumped 5% overnight, everyone would be amazed. That's why stocks are for old people and people who already have a lot of money to invest in. They can wait that amount of time it takes for a stock to grow. But in crypto, we have a more inclusive demographic, including young people, new investors, and also techies. In crypto, there's no such thing as an accredited investor, aka someone who already has a fortune to invest. The upside of crypto investments is way beyond what normal investments can offer. However, with great reward, there comes great risk. We've seen altcoins pump 10,000% only to come crashing back down 98%. The last altcoin crash began in January of 2018 after the huge parabolic bull trend we saw at the end of 2017. Today, much of what remains of people's altcoin portfolios is simply dust. There is a lot of anger, a lot of bitterness, and a lot of blaming going around for those who invested in altcoins. Either those people got in too late, or they simply held onto their investments for too long and they missed the chance to sell at the top, or even relatively close to the top. And look, I was just as guilty as everyone else during that time. I had bags I bought at the very peak, and I certainly didn't take the profits out that I should have taken. But we all live, we learn, and we grow. So we'll be more prepared for the next cycle. So what is this anger and bitterness resulting in? Well, it seems like many people are turning and becoming Bitcoin maximalists. Now, if content creators discuss altcoins, their comment sections are filled with angry comments, which is understandable. People have lost a lot of their wealth and disposable income making dumb decisions by investing in altcoins, and that's produced a lot of bitterness. Let's take a look at some of the comments to demonstrate what I'm talking about. Okay, so here this guy says he's looking for advice. He wants to get into crypto in 2020. He says he understands it's high risk reward. He says that he understands there's a great chance he could lose the money, but he talks about wanting to invest about $1,500 or $1,600, US dollars here. Okay, he says he would like to invest about 200 of that into altcoins and mentions Ethereum Classic, XRP, or Nano. And let's just look at a few of the comments here. Buy Bitcoin and sit on in a few years. Skip the others. I would like to invest in some altcoins as well, maybe $200. I was thinking maybe ETC, XRP, or Nano. This commenter quotes this guy's line there, and then he says, "You got all of the right instincts in place, except for the part I quoted," implying do not buy altcoins. They're terrible investments. That's the implication there. Then we've got this one here. He also quotes the guy. He says, "I would like to invest in some altcoins." He says, "That guy sounds reasonable. Why not?" Then he says, investing in Ethereum Classic, XRP, or Nano. XRP, of course, the number 3 overall performing cryptocurrency, pumping huge today. And then it says, "Nah, come on, flips table." And the point here is this seems to be the prevailing thought right now. As you can see, the popular trend is to tell people to only invest in Bitcoin and not altcoins. Investing in altcoins is made to appear to be just an outright dumb decision. The fact that this seems to be the domineering opinion in this space right now is making me ultra bullish on altcoins. So I decided to take a look at the Bitcoin dominance historical chart and check out all the times when we had an altcoin season to look at what the chart looked like. And despite what everyone says on Twitter, despite what your favorite YouTubers are telling you right now, despite what your dusty altcoin bag is screaming at you, the fact is, this chart shows that right now, we are near the end of the same pattern which every alt season has followed. Altcoin season consists of quick bursts, but these bursts are extremely parabolic. This means if you do not catch them at the very beginning, they can be gone in the blink of an eye. But the massive amount of gains that you can be rewarded with are insane if you know when to sell. Because with the same parabolic move upwards comes the same parabolic move downwards. In my opinion, not financial advice, now is the time to buy altcoins without any expectation of return on investment in the near future. The fact is, because of how mind-boggling the 2017 altcoin season was, it could be much longer before we hit the parabolic cycle, but it could be around the corner as well. In my opinion, it's very unlikely altcoins will go much further south than they have already gone. There is really nothing on the Bitcoin dominance historical chart to point to another drop for altcoins. The fact is, people made retirement money in 2017 off of altcoin pumps. But if we were to go back in history to 2016 before the last halving, people were saying the same thing they're saying now. They were calling for the death of the altcoins. Let's check out these two articles. So this first article can be found on Cointelegraph, written on July 26, 2016, around the time of the halving. And while a lot of people still would certainly agree that most altcoins are built to fail, check out this quote from the article. Now you have to remember this was before altcoins pumped higher than we ever dreamed they would. Some of these coins are not mineable, some pre-mined, and others record low, untraceable 24-hour trading volumes, or as low as $11 with no better prospects for the future by the look of things today. That's the same sentiment that people are having right now. So also check out this article, Why Altcoins Are Doomed, written November 18th, 2016, shortly after the halving. Altcoins, competitor cryptocurrencies to Bitcoin, are doomed. Basically, all of them will decline in relative terms vis-a-vis Bitcoin. Or vis-a-vis, I don't know how to pronounce that. You tell me how to pronounce it. Vis-a-vis? I think that's how you say it. I'm not French, I'm American. But anyway, guys, the point here is, it says they will decline relative terms vis-a-vis Bitcoin, and yet we know that they hit all-time highs, okay? This would have been in November. This would have been about here on the chart. Now look how high it climbed. And the same sentiment is going right now everywhere you look. These are the same things we heard before the last altcoin season. This channel will not be one that follows the herd mentality just because something is popular. I deeply believe in decentralization and the tokenization of the world that we live in. To me, it's a matter of when, not if. So I'll continue to cover altcoins on this channel. I will continue to speak out about the dangers of Bitcoin maximalism, even at the risk of becoming a meme in the future. If altcoins never pump again and the phrase alt season becomes nothing more than a relic, I'll look pretty dumb. And I'm willing to take that risk because I can't pretend to be a Bitcoin maximalist for the sake of popularity. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you would like to hear more of what I have to say on social media, make sure to follow me on Twitter at bitboy_crypto. And if you want to see me make cringy 1-minute videos that have nothing to do with crypto, make sure you guys follow me on TikTok. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Smash the like button. Have a blessed day. BitBoy out.